Oh. Going through this new dump in. Find a ton of regulars, having some fun with those. The pink Barbie car. Actually gonna find a ton of Acuras. And I figured that this bin had actually been through because my friend was supposed to be here last night to get them to bring it out. But it's digging. Found something. Can you see it? It's wedged in there. Heck yeah. TH on the back. Sweet. So there's one in brand new dump in. There might be more, right? Okay. I was hoping to find one of the ultimate bone shakers as well, but I don't know if they're going to keep the ultimates where it goes in multiple case codes or not. Found plenty of bugs too. This is the regular treasure hunt right there above the Hot Wheels logo. It's a pretty decent one. Quick bite. Leave it behind for the next guy. I don't collect regular treasure hunts anymore. It used to be fun. I used to buy a ton, but I don't have room for them, and don't really care for any kind of die cast without rubber tires. Oh, it looks like that might be the only Super in this bin. I'm getting down to the bottom on this side. Another pink Barbie. Getting so close to the end. Start stacking them like this now. Second to the other side. Check and double check. Nope. Plenty of the DeLoreans, that's for sure. Anything? Nope. 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 Well, that's all she wrote. This one Super. The entire dumping. But I'm okay with that. I just needed one. Actually, I need two. I got a friend that's a big Audi guy. He's probably gonna watch this video and he's gonna get really mad at me that I found one. He didn't. Although he'll probably find one in his store, so I'm not too worried. Anyways, guys, let me know what you're finding. If you're finding any Supers, happy hunting.